Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're tackling a super practical tutorial: how to transfer XDC from your Phantom wallet to Kraken in 2025. If you're holding XDC and want to move it to a secure exchange like Kraken for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's connected to your XDC network. You'll also need a verified Kraken account. Head over to their website if you don't have one yet. Once you're set up, open your Phantom Wallet and navigate to the XDC token in your portfolio. This is where your tokens are stored, so confirm the balance before proceeding. Next, log into your Kraken account and go to the deposit section. Select XDC as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Kraken will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Now, switch back to Phantom Wallet. Select the XDC token, click on Send or Transfer, and paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Review the transaction details one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Approve it, and your transaction will be broadcast to the network. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once the transfer is complete, head back to Kraken and check your deposit history. Your XDC should appear in your account shortly. And that's it, you've successfully moved your tokens. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for long-term storage and be wary of phishing scams. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.